Reggae Boyz coach Jaime Hallgrimson, in explaining the omission of young star Deshaun Whisper Richards from the squad to face Mexico, suggested not putting Whisper under too much pressure, as there are lots of things happening in his life right now, including venturing off into professional football in England. So don't rush Whisper. And I agree with Coach Hallgrimson, but we still feel Whisper to go to Mexico. No, first thing, Whisper won't be going to England full-time until November when he turns 18. So this little trip would not be a big deal. Next thing, looking at the forwards selected for this trip, Shamar Nicholson, Corey Burke, Trevante Stewart, Jamal Lowe, all of them basically play the same way. I think Whisper offers other qualities like lightning pace and dribbling, especially from the wide areas. Plus, he's an excellent finisher. I think, worst case scenario, carry Whisper and leave him on the bench. Yes, get him acclimatized to the ambience of the Azteca from early. Yes. And if possible, give him a 15 minutes. Yeah, Whisper 15 minutes.